Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to do the chemical traffic light experiment. We are going to make a solution which changes color itself. So for this, we will need sodium hydroxide, dextrose, indigo carmine, and some distilled water. First we have to pour in 75 ml of distilled water into a beaker. After that, we have to dissolve 1.5 grams of dextrose and 2.5 grams of sodium hydroxide in it. Dissolving sodium hydroxide in water generates a lot of heat, so this should only be done in a well-ventilated area. Some sort of eye protection is required for this step because if the solution mistakenly splashes into your eyes it could potentially blind you. Okay, so after dissolving both of them, we can start making our second solution. First we have to add 50 ml of distilled water. After that, we should dissolve 10 milligrams of indigo carmine in it. Okay, so now I have finished dissolving it and it's time for the reaction. Now we should mix these both solutions and wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the solution's color will change to orangish yellow like shown over here. Now if we shake it a bit, its color will change to red and eventually to green. Now if we leave the solution aside for 1 minute, again the solution's color will slowly change to orangish yellow. You can repeat this for nearly 8 to 10 times. As the colors represented by this solution are yellow, red, and green just like a real traffic light, it is called the chemical traffic light experiment. This experiment is a great example of chemical reduction. You can see over here that the color of the solution is changing back to yellow. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.